Hi P5, I just wanted to go over the next text that you are going to read today and over the next day or so. So we've been learning about earthquakes in our reading. You guys read Earthquakes, the text, the nonfiction expository text, where there was just information about earthquakes, and then you read Quake, which was realistic fiction. So the story may have been fictional, but it was very realistic about an actual event, maybe historical fiction. So, still truthful information. Today, you're going to read a different type of text. This is actually mythology, Greek mythology, and the information in the text about earthquakes, we're going to understand that to be um, not true. So in this text, you're going to read about how an earthquake happens, and we're going to understand that this is not actually how an earthquake happens. So you might ask yourself, well, what could we learn in this story if the information about earthquakes is not real? We're going to understand that this is not real. Well, we're going to look at literal information versus non literal. So the previous books you read about earthquakes, we would take that information literally about where earthquakes occur or how they might happen or the effects of earthquakes uh, in quake and earthquakes. But in this Greek mythological story, you'll see the characters such as Poseidon and Zeus. We're going to look at this text non literally. So the idea is not so much to learn about earthquakes itself, it's using the idea of earthquake to learn more about a lesson or idea or a moral of the story. So Greek mythology is more about learning a lesson or learning an idea, not so much learning about information. Um, Back when mythological stories were written long ago, not too much was known about earthquakes. So they would use mythology to explain how they would occur. And for what it was worth, not too many people actually believed that's how an earthquake occurred, or at least today we know that to be true. But look for an idea or a lesson that characters learn in this story.